The all-new Vivo V29 is packed with some incredible features. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the display. The Vivo V29 boasts a massive 6.7-inch screen, which is perfect for those who love a large, immersive viewing experience. The resolution is a stunning 2800 by 1260 pixels with a 20:9 aspect ratio. But what makes this display even more impressive is the 120x refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and incredible visual clarity. Powering this device is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 779G processor, ensuring fast and responsive performance. Whether you are gaming, multitasking, or just using your phone for everyday tasks, the Vivo V29 has you covered. Now, when it comes to storage, the Vivo V29 offers multiple options to suit your needs. You can choose between 8GB of RAM paired with either 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. Or if you are looking for even more space, there's a 12GB RAM option with 256GB of storage. The Vivo V29 is equipped with a 4600 mAh battery, which means you can go through your day without constantly worrying about recharging. It will keep you powered up for your daily adventures, and with an impressive endurance rating of 99 hours. Running on this device is FunTouch OS 13 Global. This provides a clean and user-friendly interface, so you can enjoy the full potential of your Vivo V29 without hiccup. Now let's talk about the cameras. The V29's rear camera setup is impressive, with a 50-megapixel wide-angle lenses and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lenses and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. On the front, there's a powerful 50-megapixel selfie camera for those perfect Instagram-ready shots. The Vivo V29 is also loaded with various sensors, including an accelerometer, ambience light sensor, proximity sensor, e-compass, fingerprint sensor, and a gyroscope, ensuring your phone is packed with the latest technology. Staying connected is a breeze, with options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a USB Type-C port for fast data transfer and charging. The V29 is available in some stunning colors, including space black, Himalayan blue, purple fairy, and a majestic red. You can choose the one that suits your style the best. And last but not least, the pricing. The Vivo V29 comes with all these amazing features, and you might expect it to break the bank, but it is actually quite affordable, with a starting price of just $396. Let us know in the comment section what you think about Vivo V29. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video.